Hey there, and welcome back to the YouTube channel, Effortless with AI. Today we've got a game changer for you. You might already know the Google Bard AI, but did you know that with the help of this AI tool, anyone can earn a lot of money? That's right. In this video, we're going to show you how you can make $678 per day using just a pretty easy way. All you have to do is to use the Google Bard AI and AdSense. And the best thing is that it won't take a lot of time. So stay with us till the end to know everything about this tool, including its usage. And aside from that, if you're interested in knowing about a guaranteed way to make money with AI, don't forget to get my free ebook training from the first link in the description below. Now you guys might be thinking, can't we use ChatGPT for this task? Well, let me tell you, Google Bard is a total game changer, especially when it comes to making money online with AI. There are three major reasons why Google Bard is leagues ahead of AI models like ChatGPT. First off, Google Bard is armed with 2023's up-to-the-minute information. That's right, this AI can browse the web and gather real-time data for you right here and now. Secondly, let's talk about Google Bard's programming prowess. It's mind-blowing. You can actually use Google Bard to code simple yet effective programs that help you rake in the big bucks. Thirdly, it's all about speed and file size. Google Bard is a speed demon. Whether you're asking it to write a program, draft an article, or create any other content, it gets the task done in a flash. And the best part, it's 100% free. But remember, the quality of your output and your ability to make money online with AI largely depends on the input you provide. So while most folks might ask for an article on the top 10 foods to try, let's take a different approach. Let's use this tool in ways that will really drive the profits home. Okay, let's circle back to how you can harness the power of Google Bard and AdSense to earn some serious money. Consider this, a site like remove.g, which many of you would know as a go-to platform for erasing backgrounds from images. This simple site attracts almost 50 million visitors each month and brings in millions upon millions in revenue, all thanks to a straightforward script that removes image backgrounds. If you look at keyword search tools, you'll notice that phrases like remove background are searched a whopping 1 million times each month. Other variations include remove background from image and how to remove a background in Photoshop and so forth. So, providing a simple, handy tool like this opens up avenues to make money online. This is exactly the kind of approach we're going to use to rake in daily profits, including our target of $678 a day. Now, while remove.g might be a tad more complex to replicate for the average person, even with AI, we're going to tackle something a bit more manageable. And that's where our $678 a day website example comes in. The strategy is really straightforward. We're going to identify something that people want to use, a tool, a calculator, something they'll want to come back to over and over based on their search patterns. Simple, right? Let's dig into it. So our strategy is to develop such a tool using Google Bard, host it on our website, and then direct traffic there. To do this, we'll need to use keyword search tools like SEMrush or SpyFu to assess the search volume of the different tools we have in mind. Some examples could be an MP3 converter, a PDF to Word converter, an SVG image converter, a PDF to JPG converter, a BMI calculator, or a mortgage calculator. Take the mortgage calculator as an instance. Over 3 million people are seeking this out every single month. While charging people for using something very simple like a mortgage calculator wouldn't make much sense. Instead, we'd pivot to a free ad model. This model allows us to host ads on our site and earn from these ads. The profit you make from these ads is directly proportional to how lucrative the market is. Given that the mortgage industry is a profitable one, some advertisers are willing to pay as much as $40 per click or more. The best part is that creating a mortgage calculator is actually pretty straightforward. We could head to Google Bard and enter its prompt, create a PHP mortgage calculator for a website. Bard then springs into action, generating this in no time at all. It actually provides us with the full code. All we need to do is copy this code, paste it into a notepad file, save it, we'll name it mortgage.php, and then simply drag and drop it onto our web host. We now have a mortgage calculator on our site that people can use to calculate their mortgage. Next, we can go back to Bard and request, create a script that puts a graph chart on the mortgage calculator. And just like that, Bard will create a neat little graph. Sites like mortgagecalculator.org are doing the exact same thing and making a killing from all the mortgage ads hosted on their site. They're attracting almost 2 million visitors a month, which means they're raking in a significant income. This is the same model we use to pull in over $678 a day. You might be wondering, since someone's already doing this, how are we going to attract any traffic? Well, here's another strategy to follow, but first, if you want someone to lead you and take your hand in every process, then you should check out the second link in the description below. So here's the trick. First thing is to search for mortgage calculator on Google. You'll see very few ads, especially on the first few pages. This implies that the competition for advertising on this keyword is low. As such, you could actually drive traffic to your mortgage calculator website for as little as 30 cents per click or less, considerably less than the average cost per click. However, if you're not willing to spend money to purchase traffic, don't worry. You can also supplement your income by including affiliate links related to your tool on your site. You'll be amazed at the high payouts these affiliate programs can offer. For instance, mortgage-related affiliate programs often pay substantial commissions because they deal with high-value transactions. In short, the goal here is to use Google Bard to create a tool that fills a demand and garners high search volume. By hosting this tool on your website, you attract traffic. You can then monetize this traffic through advertisements, affiliate links, or both. It's a simple yet powerful strategy for generating online income. And that wraps up today's video. What AI content would you like to see next? Leave a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest AI videos. See you next time.